Hello, got a bit of a balance of power thing going on here. I bought the Bristol M1 before, so now bought the Fokker E.III Eindecker to balance it up. I'll put that out of the way, just show you this one. It's the Airfix kit, not new, but it's a new tool and it's quite recent in kit terms, about a couple of years old. It's the aircraft of Ernst Udet. This releases nice little colour call out because it's a small cheap kit, so they put the description on the back of the colour code and the decal positioning. Side opening box, little Ein decal for Eindecker. That's a, don't know if that counts as a German joke, but it's the Fokker Eindecker. Alright, you may laugh now, carry on. Okay, stop laughing, end of joke. Right, so here we got this good modern instructions by Airfix. Get the cockpit prepared first. Little bucket seat, which is probably, if you want to be fancy, you can swap that out for a little resin wicker basket type of seat, which I imagine is how it was. But that does for now. That's going to be like fingernail size. It's more smaller than that, bigger than actual size drawing, that is. It's a 3-part fuselage, 2 sides and an underneath. Not sure why they did it like that, but perhaps it's so they could mould the tail in part of the underside of the underside part with the tail moulding together that way. You can see what I mean. And it's like having a broadsheet paper, this is. It's so I've got it all over the place now. Wasting a couple of seconds just trying to change the page. But there we go. There's the other half of the fuselage. The engine on this one turns with a propeller, so that'll be, they made a point of explaining that. But these when rotary engines rotated, and various different sections there. But the engine compartment, and I believe that's actually a fuel tank. So that's quite I know it's there sort of thing, or it could be the underside. I have to look. Yeah, look, it was under there. They provide the fuel tank, which way around is that? Oh, I think it might be that. Might be that way around. They're showing it upside down. So there we are. Tank, engine. Wow, that's the detail you'll never see. Got the dreaded gun. Side parts, cowling. All be painted aluminium or silver. And again, yeah, there we are. You got the upside down. You got two-part wheels. That'll help painting if nothing else, but that doesn't count for the outside. So I don't know what the point of that was really, because I don't know, extra part to make, I suppose. You've got the rather complicated, well, not complicated, but responsibly interestingly moulded tail skid, not just a sticking up, but with struts as well, holding it in place. And you can see a moulding there of the spar of the rear elevators, which I imagine moves together. There's no the whole tail is going to probably move, I think, on the original. A little step there, a whole panel for a step, which is extravagant, but a whole panel for putting the propeller on. It's like if they're trying to find space, things to put on the sheet at this stage. That's an interesting clue of something they may have come across when they were building it themselves. They've suggest you put blocks underneath the wings to try and keep the wings level. I'd put another bit of weight on top of there to make sure that it doesn't sag in any way, but it probably won't because it's a small kit and it's going to be quite light. and the ever so complicated, scary bracing diagram. So if I do the bracing, it's going to take a while, and I'm going to be very careful. So that's the ins and outs of how it's made. But what it's made of is this kit here. I haven't. Shall I open it? Yeah, go on. I'll take a chance. There's nothing hiding in the air pocket, and in this day and age you wonder if there's something coming with a kit as well, which you haven't asked for. Some foreign air. One-piece wing, because they're one-piece wings in those days. Well, I know what I mean. I think it's a wing warp because there's no ailerons on here, is it? So the wing itself would be pulled to warp to act as an aileron. You've got two options for propellers, but I don't know why. The kit will explain which propeller to use, probably early and later propellers, or perhaps different pilots have different preferred propeller options. There's the tail by there, little tiny tail. Gives you the size of the aircraft. And there's the finger length fuselage, and the underside with the, oh, that's a bit warm, don't play with that too much, that's a bit, I wouldn't, as a warning for everybody then, be careful getting this off, because it's quite loose by there, because although it's all joined there, it's only got little sections there holding it on. That feels a bit flimsy or floppy anyway, so be careful handling that part of it. I try and always handle it by there and don't touch this much. Nice detailed engine, if it ever focuses. A perennial thing, detailed engine. The undercarriage is in one piece, two pieces, three pieces, or four pieces. There's the rear bulkhead of the engine, and the cowling, and little German man, who looks like all the other men who've been in Airfix kits for the last 60 years. Little release pens there. He hasn't really got things sticking out the side of his leg. You can just twist them off. Not that I can use the pilot anyway, I don't build with pilots inside. So there we are, it's a very simple kit, but a new tool, and got nice detail. You can see on there. The focuses before I run out of time. Try to keep it to 8 minutes. And there's 52, 53, 54, 55 minutes, 55 seconds, and goodbye.